A very, very good evening to all of you. Can
Good
I
evening, ma'am.
request everyone to switch on their videos?
Good evening.
Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. Ziba Qureshi, क्या आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकती हैं so that I can begin? Okay, by the time she joined in. All right. Welcome, ladies. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good and keeping healthy. So, finally, it's the day of the audition. It's going to be one, hell of an experience that I can promise to you because it's going to be really memorable. We are going to offer you an audition report post your audition gets completed, which is going to be valid for a period of lifetime. I mean that you do not have to appear for an audition ever again for Forever Star India once you receive this audition report, and you will be receiving it no matter if you get selected or you do not get selected. So I can see some smiles across the screen, and it's an humble request, please do not be nervous. This is a very encouraging space. I am sure you are such unique, interesting individuals, and we are here just to know more about you guys. So let's get started. I welcome you all over again, and let's start the audition process. It's going to be in two steps. The first step is going to be a ramp walk, where all of you will be setting your frame into a position where we could see you walking. So 2 rounds of ramp walk, and then you sit back for your introduction, which should likely include your educational qualifications primarily, your hobbies, and of course, why you are here, why do you want to win the crown of Miss or Mrs. India 2021. So let's get started. Ramp walk आप लोग सब एक साथ शुरू करेंगे, and interaction we'll be taking one-on-one. So I'd request all of you to begin. आप लोग सब रैम वॉक शुरू कर सकते हैं 2 rounds, and please then you could sit automatically back down. Great. I can see most of you. Please start. In case you're waiting, we forgive you a nod. All right, just 2 rounds, and you can sit back for those who have completed. Ritika, Pooja, I would request you guys to finish your ramp walk so that we can proceed. Okay, great. I can see most of you have settled down. So by the time Ritika and Pooja join in, we shall continue. So thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for putting that effort in and for presenting yourselves so well. Now I'd request Shifali Bhargav, our project director, to take over, and she will be interacting with you guys one-on-one. And we are really excited to know more about you guys. So please be with an open heart, but try to keep the introduction very crisp and short. So over to you, Shifali.
Thank you so much, Hari ma'am. And good evening, ladies. You are looking so beautiful. Keep smiling. Let's have your introduction with me. I would request Zeba Qureshi. Please unmute yourself and start with your introduction. Zeba.
Yes, ma'am.
Start with your introduction, Zeba.
My name is Zeba Qureshi and मैं 11th क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ और मैंने बायो ले रखा है और मेरी हॉबी है डॉक्टर बनना।
Okay, and आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए हैं ज़ेबा? क्राउन क्यों जीतना चाहते हैं, बताएंगे आप?
हाँ, मेरे को कुछ करना भी है अपनी लाइफ में, ऐसे एक्टर बनना है और वगैरह और कुछ इंडस्ट्री में वर्क करना है।
ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच ज़ेबा। आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर सकते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू।
I would like Simran to join me and unmute yourself.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, Simran, you're looking really beautiful.
Thank you, you too.
Thank
I'm Simran Kashyap. My age is 21. I was born in Ranchi, brought up in Delhi, and I currently study in Jaipur. I am a law student from Manipal University, Jaipur. Along with that, I'm also doing a long distance study from Stanford University. I consider myself as a really creative person because I like to explore all the art forms like painting, photography, sketching, everything. Being a beauty pageant has been my childhood dream. It's not a medium for me to get to anything. This is the aim that I look forward for. As I'm a grown up, I'm working for it, and this moment right here, this is my first step towards it.
Okay, so why you wanted to win the crown? What's the reason behind it?
This has been my childhood dream ever since I was a child. I love the concept of that crown, the responsibilities and everything. I have always wanted to see myself there. So for that, I've worked really hard.
Okay, so you got that personality, Simran, and I can see that.
Thank you so
I wish you all the best, Simran, and Zeba too. I will proceed with Prerita. Simran, you can mute yourself.
Good morning, good evening, ma'am. My name is Prerita. I'm from Gurgaon and I'm 19-year-old. I like to play basketball and badminton, and my hobby is writing poems. I wanted to participate in Forever Miss India because I think I can become a good model, I can become a good actor, and even a singer and a dancer.
Okay, so you want this platform to become a multitasker and multi-talented, yeah? We do have certain contests and this will lead you to the best level in yours. So I wish you all the best, Prerita, and you can mute yourself. I would like to proceed with Amrita. Please unmute yourself.
Thank you so much.
You're looking so beautiful, and why you're smiling?
Thank you so much. Maybe it's my nature, that's why. And you are looking beautiful too, my dear. And if Harry is listening me, just one second, I want to tell you something that Harry is doing fantastic job. I have seen her anchoring. She is like flawless. She's doing great right now. Okay, so let's start with the introduction.
Yes, Amrita, I heard you. Thank you so much for the compliment. You just made my day, and I'm really excited to know why you are here. So please proceed.
Of course. So namaste to everyone present here. I am Amrita Srivastav, 24 years old, and I come from a mixed culture background, which is of half Bengali and half Hindi. So basically, I would tell you the best part about is that how diverse our India is and how it can be stand still so united. So as being a mixed culture girl, I have from childhood, I have experienced this thing. So now start with this hobbies and passion I have. So basically, I can do very well swimming, self-defense, fighting skills, and writing like shairi, poem, and stories, content, so much more. I can also do acting, public speaking, anchoring, and and so many more things. So list can goes on. So stopping here, I would also tell you that currently I am working in a web portal and a newspaper of English and Hindi as a journalist. And I am also a model, started this year of 2021 only. So why I am actually participating here, because as being a journalist, my job was already to work for my nation, to work for the right thing. And my always profession was just meant for raising other people's voice in front of the world. So in between, I found that potential in me that I can be the one who can be the voice of so many millions of people at the same time. So I believe in myself, and I think that FCA is the right platform to present so many important topics, so many content which are never being discussed on television or right platform basically. So I think it is the right time, and due to corona there are so many serious severe conditions. So I believe that I can come up with a strong content as being a woman and as being a Bharatiya ladki. So yes, I can do so much more for my nation, for my culture, for my people, for every one of us. So thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you so much, Amrita, and namaste to you too. You got that fact that, yeah, smiling in every situation, you have that talent in you. Okay, wish you all the best. And
Thank you
moving
so
towards to Krishna Priya.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, completely audible.
Hello, I'm Krishna Priya Sharma. I'm from Bareilly. I'm 19 years old. And I really wanted to participate in this because I want to show myself as a model, and I want to become an inspiration for others. Like I have many things to motivate others. So I just really want to मतलब मेरे को अपना जो message है, I want to like portray it to the public. So I really want to become a public figure. So that's why I really want to join it, and it's my passion from childhood. So that's why.
Okay, so rather than becoming a figure public,
Yeah.
becoming a public figure,
Yeah.
what other hobbies do you have, Krishna?
I really like sketching, drawing, and even anchoring. I really haven't tried it, but I can do that. Yeah, and of course singing and a bit of acting.
Okay. So I guess today in our auditions, we have all the contestants are multitasker, right? They know how to swim, they know how to sing, they know how to dance, they know how to act. Okay, so well and good.
But
let's
I
move-
just think that I am very familiar and very like very mixing with people easily. I easily mix with people, so I can be very friendly nature. I am a very friendlier.
That's the good hobby you have and good thought. Okay, you can mute yourself. Thank you so much, Krishna. Moving towards to Nandini.
Yeah, hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Nandini.
Yes, I can start my introduction.
Yes.
My name is Nandini Sharma, and I'm living Delhi, Lakshmi Nagar, and I'm studying college in Mata Sundari, BCom third year. Yes, and my hobby is that I love traveling and I love modeling also, and I love the dancing also. इस टू जैसे कि आपने कहा काफी सारी टैलेंट है सच में सब में, मेरे में भी 2 है बस यही. एंड यहाँ पे आना मेरा मतलब पैशन है, मैं चाहती हूँ, मेरा ड्रीम है, इट्स माय ड्रीम टू क्राउन गिवन अ क्राउन, सो दैट्स व्हाई. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, thank you so much, Nandini. I love your smile too, and keep smiling always. Wish you all the best in your future, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So moving towards to Kiran Kumari.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
How's you?
evening. I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Yes, ma'am. I am Kiran. My sorry, ma'am. I am from Badurganj and I am 20 years old and I am a nursing student. It's my hobby is dancing, singing, and modeling also. Asking you, ma'am.
Okay. And why you wanted to win the crown, Kiran?
I want to be a name, ma'am. Frame. That's why.
So why you smiling so much? Is there anything? I mean, something is going on.
No, ma'am. It's my nature. That's why.
If you get nervous, you smile.
No, ma'am.
Then what's the reason behind it?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. It's good to smile, and seeing her, I'm also smiling. So keep smiling, everyone.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you so much, Kiran. Can we
Yes.
have Pooja Kumari?
अरे यार.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I cannot see your video. Please start your video. Pooja, नीचे एक आइकन होगा स्टार्ट वीडियो का, so please click on that. Pooja, are you listening to me?
Pooja's audio is not connected, unfortunately. So I'll just drop her a text, and till then we can proceed.
I want to like call this 577F22, the one with black top with the ponytail.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening. What's your name?
My name is Mrinmaya Sadhu.
Okay, so please proceed with your introduction.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Mrinmaya Sadhu. Currently, I am studying BSc Honors on Mathematics. It may sound silly, but I have a borderline obsession with nail art. Recently, I have started learning karate. I strongly feel that everyone should be encouraged to follow their dreams to any age. Through my childhood, I have always been feel that I cannot do anything of my own. So I want to wish to win this competition to boost my confidence level, and I will try my best.
Okay, so why you wanted to win this crown, Mrinmaya?
Huh?
Why you wanted to win this crown? आप क्राउन क्यों जीतना चाहते हैं? ये मिस इंडिया, मिसेस इंडिया में क्यों पार्टिसिपेट किया? What's the reason behind it?
Because I like modeling. I feel so much attracted towards this industry. All those models and their like so much attract me.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, and don't get nervous. Please be patient enough and keep smiling. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Moving towards to Ritika.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Now your video is visible to us. Okay. So start with your introduction, Ritika.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. First of all, I will thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Ritika, your voice is not audible to me. थोड़ा सा.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, you can speak now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ritika,
Good
video
evening,
start
ma'am.
करो.
First of all, I will thank you.
Ritika, please start the video. Your video is not visible now.
Ma'am, there is network issue.
Okay, start with your introduction. No worries.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. First of all, I will thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ritika and I'm 18-year-old. Basically, I study in class 12 and I live in Gurgaon, Haryana. And I have done my class 12th in from Akash Public School, and my hobby is dancing, sketching, and I would like to uh, make my mom smile. It's my biggest dream.
Okay, and why you wanted to win the crown, Ritika?
Ma'am, basically I have lost my dad 4 months back, and ma'am, there's a lot of issues that ma'am बहुत लोग आवाज बोलते हैं कि कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। मैम आज मैं 18 इयर्स की हो गई हूँ, मैम मुझे सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट बनना है, अपनी मम्मी के लिए कुछ करना है।
Okay, so Ritika, today is your birthday, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Today is your birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ritika. And I'm sorry for
Thank you
your
so
dad, but keep smiling. And from this platform, I wish you all the best, that you will succeed in your future, right? I
Thank
cannot
you
see
so
you,
much,
but
ma'am.
I know that you are smiling.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Moving towards to Pooja. I guess your audio is now okay.
Her network is buffering.
Yeah.
I don't think she will be able to.
Okay, let me get back to her. No worries. We can have Ritika's ramp up. Yes, Harry ma'am?
Absolutely. If her network allows, we can complete her walk.
Ritika, can we have your ramp walk?
Yes, ma'am.
We can have your ramp walk, Ritika?
Yes, ma'am, I have done my...
I guess she had completed it, Shefali, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, her video was not there, I guess. Her
Yes.
and Pooja.
She did complete her walk. So I guess we are good to go.
Okay, done.
So thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for talking about yourself so beautifully. It's an absolute pleasure hearing from all of you. You know, it's incredibly insane how interesting and unique you all are. I am sure अब तक आपको एक बात realize हो गई होगी that you guys are so different from each other. But one thing that binds all of you together is the wish to create a unique identity for yourself, and of course, to create and leave a mark in the entertainment or glamour industry for that matter. And trust me, you are on a completely right platform. We are here not only to, you know, put you in a competition, but to groom you alongside and make sure that you take away a lot from this platform, no matter if you win or not. So firstly, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. You know, you all are extremely beautiful and talented, and I'm sure that there is a lot to show and explore while we go ahead on this journey. So today, after completing your audition report, जैसे कि मैंने initially mention किया था, you will be receiving an audition report, within 48 hours, which will be sent via WhatsApp or email to ensure a transparent process across the team and its members. Now, why do we need an audition report? No pageant has ever done this so far, because the idea for us is that I'm sure आज सुबह आप उठे, you were like, मेरा audition है, I have to prepare myself. You chose the best dress you had, you put on the best makeup you possibly could, and most important, you gathered the courage to sit across a virtual screen and talk about yourself. No matter how your day went, but you were like, I have to talk about it, and it takes a lot of courage to sit across a screen and talk to an absolute stranger about yourself. So appreciating that, the audition report is just a little token, from our end, which will be, acting like a certificate, and it will be valid for a period of lifetime to ensure that you do not have to appear for an audition with Forever Star India ever again. And moving on these terms, we have our director, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, with us, who will be, talking about the platform. She is the boss lady indeed, considering our platform is 95% female oriented, and who better than Kirti ma'am to head the platform. So over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry, for allowing me, and a very good evening to each one of you. As you know, both Shefali and Harry have said a lot of times, all of you are looking very beautiful today. Thank you so much for appearing for today's audition. Congratulations on completing the first step towards your journey for becoming Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. And you know, after listening to your introduction, I could totally make out that we have you know, a lot of aspiring actors, models, and you know, singers here. So each one of you, you know, you want to be something in life, right? Some of you, I can see you're young, you're just in your 11th standard. Somebody's just, you know, turned 18 today. So it's, you know, absolutely amazing to know that how young you are and how ambitious you are towards your goals. So let me just tell you that Forever Star India is not just organizing the biggest beauty pageants of the country, but we are creating a huge community of women like you, of girls like you, who want to be something in their lives, who want to make a difference in the society. And when I look at you, all of you are so unique, right? But there is one thing that, you know, binds us all, and that is our aspiration to be something, to make a difference. And I congratulate you all once again for that. And when I say that, you know, you will be receiving your audition in the next 24 to 48 hours, whether you're selected or not selected, you will be receiving this audition report, and once you are selected, you will have to complete your participation process in order to move ahead with your training and sessions. We will have 3 to 4 months of extensive training and grooming and these experts include motivational here. We have you know, pageant perspective about your personality.
Okay, I guess Kirti ma'am lost connection. There is some, you know, technical glitch happening. Give me a minute and I shall resolve it. Oh, she's here. Ma'am, I guess you lost connection. Aap mute pe ho.
I'm extremely sorry. So my connection just went haywire. So, you know, I was speaking and I was not there in the meeting. So yes, what I was saying is that these 150 plus experts are actually going to help you identify your strengths. And you know, then we are going to work on those strengths कि उनको और ज़्यादा improve कैसे करना है, because ultimately we want you to harness a lot of business opportunities also on this platform. For example, if you want to be a singer, if you want to get into modeling, if you want to get into choreography, for that matter, any profession that you want to get into with respect to this industry, then this platform is going to help you with that, right? And how are we going to do that? First, we are going to train you in becoming the best version of yourself in this process of becoming Forever Miss and Mrs. India. And then gradually, through this community, for example, we're going to launch our own OTT platform towards the end of 2022. So we will be giving you opportunities directly on this platform through your social media handles, through the image that you're creating here. So the social media handles for our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Harry ma'am is going to share here. You can just take a screenshot and follow us on all the 3 platforms so that you get a better idea that what kind of trainers we have, what kind of opportunities you're going to get here on this platform. Secondly, when I say that, you know, we are creating a community, so it's not just about you. If you are from this background or you're not from this background, you know, you just have to be passionate about it. You will clear today's audition only on the basis of one thing, and that is your passion. If you're really passionate about being here on this platform, if you're really passionate about making a mark for yourself in this industry, then you will be in. And once you're in, we are going to train you and we are going to take it step by step. ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम से, you know, आपको किसी round के लिए appear करने के लिए बोल दिया जाएगा. Firstly, the trainers are going to train you, right? So when we have the first round, you'll be trained for that, and then you'll be appearing for the first round. When we have the second round, an influencer, a photographer is going to train you. When we have the third round, because I could see your ramp walk, you know, all of you did the ramp walk, but there's a lot of tweaking that can be done with respect to that. बहुत ज़्यादा improvement का scope है. तो एक ramp walk expert पहले आपको train करेगा. She's going to teach you about the technicalities of a ramp walk. कितनी तरह की ramp walk होती है, आप कैसे अपना posture better कर सकते हैं, कैसे आप walk कर सकते हैं. And then once you are confident, then you will be appearing for this round, which judges you on the basis of your ramp walk. Right? So हम इसको बहुत ही gradually लेंगे. Firstly, we will be selecting a city winner from your city. Right? तो आपका aim सबसे first क्या होगा कि मुझे city winner बनना है, अपनी city को represent करना है. And ये जो पूरा process है 95% it is going to be virtual. जैसे आज आप audition virtually दे रहे हैं, उसी तरीके से you will be appearing for your training sessions, you will be appearing for your rounds virtually. ठीक है? लेकिन जब आप winner बनते हैं किसी भी level पे, चाहे आपको कोई subtitle मिलता है, चाहे आप city winner बनते हैं, or you become a state winner, you will be coming for the grand finale in the month of December, which happens in Goa or in Jaipur, depending on the situation that's there. Right? तो आपकी जो crowning होगी वो live होगी. Virtually हम आपकी crowning नहीं करने वाले हैं, so do not really worry about it कि सब कुछ virtually होने वाला है, मुझे crown भी virtually पहना देंगे, नहीं. Crown आपको live पहनाया जाएगा. It will be covered live by the major media houses across the country. आपका वहाँ पे photo shoot होगा, आपका portfolio बनेगा, and you know you'll be adorning those beautiful designer dresses by the best designers across the country. So it will be huge. You know, just imagine that, you know, all of you are becoming city winners from your respective cities and you are walking down that ramp. So it is huge, but there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है. Trainings को seriously लेना है. You have to be very, very sincere while you're attending those training sessions. So it's a long-term thing. In short, let me just, you know, brief it out again, that this is a community and we are going to help each other in growing. Right? हम एक दूसरे के साथ competition बिल्कुल भी नहीं करने वाले हैं. Right, अमृता, आपका कृष्णा के साथ या सिमरन का ऋतिका के साथ यहाँ कोई competition नहीं होगा. You will be competing with your own self. And every day you're going to see a difference in your personality, in your confidence, in your self-esteem. Right? So that's how it is going to be. All the best from my side. Just wait for your audition report. Keep your fingers crossed. And I'm hoping to see you in the training sessions. Right? And yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention, that once you clear the audition and you receive your audition report, so you will be entitled to pay a fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST, which includes your training sessions for these 3 to 4 months and a lifetime membership of this platform. Right? Just the way you have your profiles on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, the same way you will have your individual profile on Forever Star India Awards. और ये profile हमेशा के लिए यहाँ पे रहने वाली है. That is why we just say forever, right? So all of you and all of us are going to be here forever on this platform. And as a community, we are going to help each other. We are going to inspire each other, right? So with respect to this, if there's anything that you would want to ask, any query that you have, anything that you could not understand, please feel free to ask.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna, tell me.
Ma'am, till when we have to pay the fees for the training?
Okay, Krishna, सबसे पहले आपके पास audition report आएगी. You will be receiving it by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, right?
Okay.
So that will make it clear whether you're selected or not. So once you are selected, then you will be paying this fee. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Moreover, the customer support team is always there to help you out. आपके पास जब audition report आ जाएगी, then they'll be getting in touch with you, right? So then you can, you know, clarify anything else if it comes up.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Okay, so I can see pretty much confident faces. Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you so much, Shefali, for being here with us. And, you know, I am sure that there is no reason to hold on to yourself. You know, thank you so much, ladies, for your time today. It was an absolute pleasure, like I mentioned. And I am so excited. We as a team of Forever Star India are so excited to know more about you guys, to see, you know, and to see you guys grow from here and, you know, enroll yourself onto this incredible journey. So we shall take your leave, and I have put the details of Forever Star India into the chat box. You guys can take a screenshot and make sure you follow us and research well of what we are doing, you know, as a platform, what all we are up to, our website especially, and our YouTube channel, so that you can have a glimpse of what you are going yourself, you know, enroll yourself into, because invest करने से पहले research करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So please make sure you do that. And that's us signing off. Thank you so much for your time today, and we shall see you really soon in the training sessions. Goodbye, ladies. Have a lovely evening ahead.
Thank you.